Hello everyone, I hope you are good. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how to take accurate measurements for jilbab. First, we'll take the front length from the forehead or your hairline straight down. So you take it straight down to the desired length of your client. After that, you take the back measurement from the hairline again. You take it from the hairline straight down the back. So wherever your taper reaches, you start from there again, and then you plus what you have together. That will give you the accurate length for the back. So now for the side or sleeve length, you take your tape from the middle of your head to your elbow, but you make it like 2 to 3 inches below your elbow. That is where your actual sleeve length will start from. So from your middle of the head to your wrist, that is your actual side length. Then for Egyptian or French jilbab, if you want to take your side length, you start from the tip of your hair to your elbow and then to your wrist. It's the same method, just different starting points. So for the face circumference, you measure your face round. You measure it round where the jilbab will start from, or you measure it like half measurement, just as I did there. And also for the sleeve, you need to take your round measurement, your round sleeve measurement. Just make it free, right below your elbow. And for the side length of the jilbab, not really necessary, but if you see there's need for you to do so, then you can do it. And this is how I take my jilbab measurement. See you in next class.